Okay guys, here's the final product on that first miniature we printed. So pretty tough taking those supports off. I'm still gonna have to figure out how to work through adding supports and removing them. I think I busted a little piece of this poor cat's ear off, and still a couple little spots of support in areas that I thought were super fragile, but overall I think this little mini turned out super nice. One thing is I've noticed this stuff is super brittle, so I'm not sure how good these minis would do in a real gaming scenario, because I'm guessing if you drop this one, that spear would break in half in about 2 seconds. But for some of the minis that don't have as many details or thicker details, I think you would do just fine. They're pretty solid. So thanks guys for coming.